Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing essentials: another working PC, a USB or printed notes, and the locked Asus laptop showing the Bitlocker prompt. On the lock screen, write down the long key ID exactly. You need that to match a stored recovery key. Next, sign into the Microsoft account you used on this laptop. That account often stores recovery keys automatically. Once signed in, you can search for matching key ID. Make sure you use the exact characters shown on the screen. Now use the key ID to search. On your secondary PC, open the Microsoft account that the laptop used and look under Devices or Recovery Keys for the matching ID. Once you find it, copy the 48-digit recovery key. If the machine belongs to an organization, contact IT to retrieve the key from Azure AD or Active Directory. They keep keys linked to device objects. Alternatively, on a working Windows machine with administrative rights, run Manage BDE Protectors getC. To list protectors and confirm the stored key ID, enter the matching 48-digit recovery key at the Bitlocker prompt to unlock the Asus. Once Windows boots, go to Bitlocker settings and back up the key to your Microsoft account and save a USB or print a copy. Then consider suspending and re-enabling Bitlocker to refresh protectors or enable automatic backup to avoid future lockouts. If you can't find any matching key, contact the Microsoft account owner or your IT admin, and do not clear the TPM, because that can permanently invalidate the key and lock the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.